In this video, we will learn how you can automatically create a contact in SalesMate when you receive a new lead's email. So let's say you run a business and use SalesMate as your customer relationship management software. Now you want, when you receive a lead's email, it should be added as a contact in SalesMate. We will integrate this using a software called Pabbly Connect. Now let us come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically create a SalesMate contact when a new lead is received on mail, let us first go to Pabbly's website. Here you can see Pabbly's landing page. On the top right, there are two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, did you know if you sign up for free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Okay, let us go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, it's loading. On the top right, you can see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name. So we will write Gmail to SalesMate. You can use any mailing application. We are using Gmail here. Okay. Now you will see two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. Our entire automation would work on these two steps. So let us understand these with the help of an example. A trigger can be when an order is placed, and action can be add order details to Google Sheets. In our case, a trigger can be when a lead is received on mail, and action could be create it as a contact on SalesMate. So let us begin. Here we will select Email Parser. Email Parser is an application by Pabbly that helps you to extract details from the email. Here you will see it is given us an email ID, email address. Let us copy this. And now we will go to the inbox, our inbox, and paste it. Why? What will happen is, whatever lead mails you are receiving here in inbox, those will automatically be forwarded to Email Parser by Pabbly, and you can extract the details and add them as a contact here in SalesMate. Okay, so let us go. On the top right, you can see settings button. Click there. See all settings. Now straight come to this forwarding and POP IMAP. Now you will see add a forwarding address. Click here. Now remember the address that we copied here. Yes, exactly this one. We will just paste it. Next. Proceed. Now it says a confirmation code has been sent to this address to verify permission. Okay. So come back to Pabbly and you will see a response has been received like this. Scroll down. And down you will see body text. Now let us stretch it to see the full message. Okay, this mail has requested to automatically forward mail to this address. Confirmation code here is this. Let us copy this. Come back to your mail. Paste it here. Verify. And now, yes, click on this. Forward a copy of incoming mails to this. And keep Gmail's copy in the box. So what will happen? Whatever mails you will get in your inbox, those will be forwarded to this address here, Email Parser by Pabbly. And what will happen at the same time, the mail's copy would also be maintained in your inbox. Okay, after this, now save changes. Okay, it's done. Now come back to Pabbly Connect. And now what we will do to see if the connection is successful, we will send a test email, a test lead email. Okay, before that, first let us click on recapture response. Do you wish to recapture the response? Yes. Now let me come here. Okay, so this is my customer, maybe my leads email inbox. So the lead is trying to send us a mail. this, that they want product information, that is the subject line. I would like to know more about the integration product. So what we want, when the lead sends us this mail, the details should be added as a contact in SalesMate. Okay, so let us just hit send. It says message sent. Now come back to Pabbly's page. You will see it's waiting for response. And you will see it has received the response. You can see the details here if we scroll down. Okay, first let us go up and let's see the address that the mail was sent to from. It was sent by this client, this lead, Michael Kars. The email address of this lead, here it is, and the subject of the email. I'll show you the body text as well. Let us scroll down. Here is the body text, you can see. So now this means we have successfully integrated this. We are done with the first step. Now let us come to action step. Click here, write SalesMate. For the action event, we will select create contact because we want this Michael Kars should be created as a contact in SalesMate. Okay, connect the two. Add new connection. Now it will ask you for a few details, host name. So let us read the instructions first. Enter your SalesMate account name. Okay, so here what you have to write is basically your SalesMate domain will come here in this format. For example, you can see demo.salesmate.io. So let us go to SalesMate and you will see here is our domain. Okay, this pabbly.salesmate.io. Okay, let us paste it here. Now it needs session token. For that, let us follow the instructions here. Go to your SalesMate account, then click on profile icon, my account. Okay, let's do this first. On the left hand side, you will see profile icon. Click there. Now go to my account. Now let's see what it says further. Now we have to go to access keys and session token. Okay. On the left hand side, you will see access key. Click there. Here you will see the session token. You can see it here. Like it's mentioned, session token it needs. Okay. So just copy. It's copied now. Come back and paste it. Now it needs your SalesMate account URL in this format. Okay, again go to SalesMate, go to the dashboard, and here you can see the URL it needs. Okay, but you need not to take the full. We need to follow a format. For that, let us come back and see this. We want from HTTPS till IO only. So let us copy it till here, till IO only. No slashes after that. Okay, let us paste it. Slash. Let's remove this and it's in the right format. Now save. Okay, so it's connected. Now it wants the details like first name, last name. So let us go and map it. You can see the details here. But you must be thinking, where are we getting these details from? So let me take you to step 1 here. Then we made a dummy submission when we sent a dummy lead mail. So you must have seen Pabbly captured this response. It's the exact same details that Pabbly has brought here. Okay, so let us map the first name. Okay, you can see the name here. But can you see it needs first name only and not the last name. However, we are getting the full name here. We just want Michael here and not Kars. Kars would go in the next column. Next field, there is a separate field here. You can see that for the last name. So now what we will do is, we will just add a step in between. Click on the plus button. Write text formatter. Action event would be split text. Connect. Now the text that needs to split will come here. So we need to split the text. We need to split Michael Kars. Okay. So what we want is we want Michael and Karas separately. That means we want to, so for separator, we will use space here because we want to split it from the space here. So just copy this and paste it. Okay. Segment index would be all. Why? Because we want the full, both Michael as well as Karas. So now let us save and send test request. And you will see it has splitted the name, first name and last name, Michael and Karas. Now we are good to go. So now we will be using this in this result in the next step. Once again, let us connect the SalesMate. Why? Because we added a step in between. And here we will select existing connection. Why? Because we had already added it. We had already connected it. So now let's save. Okay, it's connected. Now let us map the first name. So first name would come here, Michael. Scroll down. Then it would come Karas. And now what it needs is email. So that we will take from here. Okay, from address, you can see it's the one. Okay, before we proceed further, I would like to tell you something about mapping. So the fields we have mapped in, from next time, it will automatically be updated. You will not have to do it again. Let's say next time a new lead submits sends a mail. So their name, first name, last name and email address, the mapped fields will automatically be updated and you will not have to write it again or type it manually. This is one of the major benefits of mapping. Okay, looks we are good to go. Now let us just leave these details. In case you want to add more, give more details like address, line, city, you can. So now let us save and send test request. You will see it shows status success. Now to check if this Michael Karas, this lead has actually been created as a contact in SalesMate. Let us go to our SalesMate account. Okay, this is my dashboard. Let me refresh. I'm on the contacts and you can see here. Click to view details. You can see here Michael Karas with the email address. This has successfully been added as a contact in SalesMate. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.